Alright, so here we're looking at a question from the 2015 Kangaroo Math paper. So yeah, this is question number 2, and let's get to it. So it says the value of the expression 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 5 is a over b, where a and b are integers whose only common factor is 1. What is the value of a plus b? Okay, so what we're basically going to be doing is basically going to be simplifying this into one singular fraction, correct? And from that singular fraction, we can find our a and we can find our b. So it should be as simple as that. The way answering this question is really easy, but I think it just becomes a little tedious. All right, so let's get to it. So first things first, I'm going to rewrite my question, which is 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 5, correct? So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to simplify this part over here. So it will be 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over, when we simplify this part here, so it'll be 1 over, remember 1 plus 1 over 5, if we do the common denominator stuff here, you would get 6 over 5, right? And I'll show you that's being done. It would be 5 over 5 plus 1 over 5. That'll give us 6 over 5. Alrighty, let's get rid of that here. So go to that 6 over 5. Let's put that in here. 1 over 6 over 5. So now I'm going to continue the right here. So it would be 1 plus 1 over. Now what I want to do is actually flip my 6 over 5 here. So remember, if I have 1 over 6 over 5, it's the same thing as writing it as 5 over 6. Alright, so let's rewrite that. So it would be 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 5 over 6. Alrighty. Now our next step would actually, I'm going to continue down here if that's okay. So our next step would actually be to simplify this bottom part right here. So simplify this part. So let's do that. So to simplify that, we're just going to be adding 1 plus 5 over 6. So 1 plus 5 over 6, we do the denominator method again. It becomes 6 over 6 plus 5 over 6. We get 11 over 6. Okay, so it becomes 1 plus 1 over 11 over 6. Alright. Now we don't have many steps left. Let's do this as best as we can. So again, it's 1 over 11 over 6, right? So since it's over 1 it's over this thing, all we're going to have to do is flip this. So it would be 6 over 11. So it would be 1 plus 6 over 11. Okay? So now what we're going to be doing is just going to be adding these two together. So it's just 1. So it would be 11 over 11 plus 6 over 11. And you would get an answer of 17 over 11. Alright, so now that we got 17 over 11, all that we actually have to do now is we have to actually, what we have to do now is we can find our a and our b. So this right here is going to be my a, and this is going to be my b. So since we know that, we just add it together. So therefore, a plus b is basically going to be equal to, we're going to be saying that a plus b is going to be equal to 17 plus 11, and that's going to give us an answer of 28, which is the answer to this problem. And that's it. That's how we can solve it. Have a good day.